Welcome to Sherwood Exclusive Lara, a premier destination in Antalya's vibrant Lara region, where unforgettable memories await. Located just a 15-minute drive from Antalya Airport and the city center, this seafront hotel offers the ultimate getaway for families and couples alike. Highlights of Sherwood Exclusive Lara: prime beachfront location. Enjoy a private, 160-meter sandy beach complete with a wooden pier, perfect for relaxing or diving into the turquoise waters. Culinary excellence. Indulge in a variety of Turkish and international flavors at the main restaurant, or savor gourmet experiences at a la carte restaurants. Ultra all-inclusive perks include waiter service for drinks at all restaurants and bars, where premium imported beverages are served free of charge. Stylish accommodations. Renovated in 2019, the hotel offers diverse room options to suit every guest. For an extraordinary stay, opt for the Sky Suite, featuring a private terrace with a large jacuzzi, or the King Suite, equipped with a maxi bar stocked with premium snacks, beverages, wine, and bottled beer, as well as a capsule coffee machine. Family-friendly fun. A dedicated mini club for children aged 4 to 12, supervised by experienced instructors, ensures endless fun with creative and engaging activities. Exclusive amenities. With attention to every detail, Sherwood Exclusive Lara caters to your comfort with stylish design, modern facilities, and personalized services. Whether you're seeking a fun-filled family vacation or a romantic escape, Sherwood Exclusive Lara is the perfect choice. Book your stay today and experience the best of Antalya in unparalleled luxury and style. Dining and beverage highlights at Sherwood Exclusive Lara. Summer concept experience exceptional dining and beverage services at Sherwood Exclusive Lara under its ultra all-inclusive summer concept. Here's everything you need to know about the Culinary Delights and drink options. Main dining and all-inclusive details. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner are served as open buffet, free of charge. Local alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, as well as select imported drinks, are available 24/7 at no extra cost within the brands determined by the hotel. A la carte restaurants operate on a reservation basis and are subject to additional charges. The Fish a la carte restaurant is available 3 days a week and charges per person. Special requests outside the fixed menu incur extra costs. All other a la carte restaurants operate 6 days a week. Special dietary notes: the hotel does not provide vegan or gluten-free buffets, but offers a diet buffet option. Guests with allergies or specific dietary needs can contact the guest relations department. Upon request, special menus and meals can be prepared. Dining hours: 07 to 10, breakfast 10 to 11, late breakfast 12:30 to 14:30, lunch 19 to 21:30, dinner 22 to 07, night buffet snacks and treats 11 to 16, gözleme and pide, Turkish flatbreads 11 to 18, sweet patisserie 12 to 16, beach snack 12 to 16, aquapark snack bars and drinks 24 hours, breezes lobby bar 10 to 16, aquapark pool bar 10-19, SBA bar 10 to 0, medieval pool bar 10, beach bar 10 to 17, pool bar 16, panorama pub bar 18, lobby bar 23 to 0, tour disco bar. This dining and beverage concept ensures a delightful culinary journey, catering to every palate and elevating your vacation experience. Sports and entertainment highlights at Sherwood Exclusive Lara summer concept. Sherwood Exclusive Lara ensures a fun-filled and active vacation with a wide range of sports and entertainment options included in its all-inclusive summer concept. Facilities and amenities. The resort provides access to various facilities designed for both relaxation and fitness. Fitness center, hot and cold shock pools, jacuzzi pool, foot pool, indoor pool. Sports activities. Guests can enjoy a variety of activities to stay active and entertained. Aquapark, archery, mini golf, table tennis, basketball, gymnastics, water gymnastics, dart boccia, water slide aerobics, fitness training, beach volleyball, entertainment programs, animation, shows, engaging performances, and fun activities for all ages. Themed activities. Enjoy unique daily programs curated by the entertainment team. With this variety of sports and entertainment options, Sherwood Exclusive Lara offers an unforgettable vacation experience, catering to both families and couples. Children and baby services at Sherwood Exclusive Lara. Summer concept. Sherwood Exclusive Lara ensures that even its youngest guests enjoy a memorable and fun-filled vacation. With dedicated amenities and programs tailored for children and babies, the resort offers a stress-free experience for families. Kids facilities and services. Mini Club, specially designed for kids aged 4-12, featuring supervised activities and entertainment. Children's pool, a safe and enjoyable swimming area for little ones. Baby pool, shallow and secure, ideal for toddlers. Children's buffet, delicious and nutritious meal options for younger guests. Mini disco, evening fun for kids to dance and enjoy. Children's playground, an outdoor area for energetic playtime. Babysitting services. Babysitting is available upon request and with prior reservation. Additional fees apply. With these thoughtfully designed facilities, Sherwood Exclusive Lara provides an ideal environment for families, ensuring both kids and parents have a fantastic vacation.